In this video, we will discuss how to use NotebookLM. So let's try it out. But before starting it, we will learn what the NotebookLM is. So for this, I get the help of ChatGPT. Here you can see I asked, what is NotebookLM? And here is the brief description about it. It's an AI-powered research and note-taking tool developed by the Google Labs. And what is it for? It's utilized Google AI to provide functionality such as summarizing content, explaining complex ideas, and answering questions based on user-uploaded material in a simple word. You need to provide a document file to the notebook, and it will provide keywords and even summarize all the data in simple writing. So in order to use it, what you have to do, in the Google search bar, search for NotebookLM. Once you'll search for it, on the top you can see the main website Google NotebookLM, Note-Taking Tool and Research Assistant. Click on it. Click on the option. Try Notebook, scroll down, and here you can see, create your first notebook. Click on the option Create New Notebook, or you can also write an example notebook. I will create a new notebook. So here I need to add sources. Here you will see few things. I can choose the file from my computer or from Google Drive. I can upload the link of my website or a YouTube video, and I can paste a copy text. I will paste a link of YouTube video, and that video was ChatGPT versus DeepSeek. It was very hard to see which is best. So therefore, I will get the help of this NotebookLM, and I will click on the option YouTube, and here I will paste the link. After pasting the link, I will click on Insert Note. It will start processing, and it will summarize all the details. And here you can see ChatGPT versus DeepSeek. And on the last, you can see pricing model are also briefly touched upon, suggesting DeepSeek might be more budget-friendly options. As I said, it will provide key points of your provided data. Another interesting thing is you can add note, and you can also get the audio overview. It will be like an audio file with the voiceover of your description. In order to get the audio, click on the option, Audio Overview. And then it will start generating the audio. Now, if you want to use it for your own purposes, then you have to provide that brief description about your thing, and then it will give you the explanation, and that's it.